Mnet is back with another season of Girls Planet, and this is how you can apply for it. For anyone new, Girls Planet is a K-pop survival show by Mnet that brings together trainees from different parts of the world to compete for their final debut lineup, with the first season giving us the girl group Kepler. Today in this video, we're going to talk about the audition process, what is the age eligibility criteria, and all of that to make your audition process much easier. But before we get into it, do drop a like and subscribe to the Namaste Halya YouTube channel for more updates and videos like this one. So as I mentioned before, Mnet has finally announced the season 2 of Girls Planet, which means that this survival show is primarily focused on the girls. So the qualification for this season is particularly for girls, she, her, they, thems, and it is open worldwide, regardless of nationalities and or place of residence. And what makes it different this time is there is a cutoff, but not for the maximum age, but for the minimum age. Only people born before January 1st of 2013 are allowed to audition. And it is of course open to all kinds of experience levels, be it you are an individual trainee, or you are under a company, or you are an already debuted idol. However, you have to have no restrictions or restraints in terms of overseas travel. For the application period has started. It started on May 1st. However, as of now, the deadline has not been announced. However, you should fill it out ASAP because they will be announcing the deadline sometime in the future. What will you need for this application? For this application, you will definitely need 3 videos, all approximately like a minute or so long. And the first video is your self-introduction video. So if you have followed the Produce series or even the Planet series, you might have noticed how in the beginning of the show, Mnet releases these 1-minute videos of the introduction of each trainee. So you kind of have to make your video kind of like that, where you introduce yourself and your special skills and anything different about you. In fact, it is kind of important that you showcase a different kind of skill. Like from what I recall, Boys Planet, Zhang Hao could play the violin. So a different skill, because in the end, this is a K-pop survival show, but it is also entertainment. They would want people with different skills and personality sets. So this is where you showcase how you are completely different from another trainee. And for the self-introduction video, make sure you are only shooting it in the upper body and up, which needs to be used for the self-introduction video. Next, moving on to the second video, which will be your vocal/rap performance video. In this, again, it's an upper body shot, and in both the face must be clearly visible. So this is where you particularly showcase your vocals and your raps. Your dance will be in the next video, which is the third video. That will be the full body shot, and that also has to be approximately like a minute or so long, where you can showcase your dance skills. And as a general rule for all these videos, no caps, mask, anything hiding your face is allowed, or you can be disqualified from the process in general. And of course, the general rule of thumb is no adding filters or any editing to enhance your video. So now the application itself. So first, you need to complete the application Google Forms, which we'll be linking in the description box below. Also, you can access it with this QR code on this poster over here. And then you can fill out your details. And after all that is submitted, these 3 videos that we shot before, you need to send it to this email mentioned over here, and that's it. That's the process. It's pretty simple, honestly speaking. However, if you have any doubts, do leave them in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer them for you. So that's all for this video. Do follow us for more updates on auditions in K-pop, or if you want to follow us for more deep dives, do subscribe to the Namaste Halya YouTube channel, and we'll see you all next time.